It's my proud privilege to stand before you on the occasion of the celebration of 52nd anniversary of Andhra Samaj. I have been working here for 30 years. In the very beginning, I have joined as a lecturer of mathematics, and now I am working as a vice principal of this institution. We feel proud and we feel elevated to work under the team of a very supportive, cooperative management. We have teachers, those who are highly qualified, trained, hardworking, dedicated teachers. Our ex-students are well placed. I feel proud that we are very associated with such a